Alright, so we're in the process of packing up, getting ready to go camping. It's crazy hot today. This is the temperature in the truck right now. Here's also a picture of the temperature inside my parents' house. It's almost 100 degrees. It's hot today. So as I was driving along the road with the bike, it's just the hot air feels like you're driving in an oven. It's hot, like painfully hot on the skin while driving. And yeah, we're going camping in this weather, trail riding. It's gonna be good. Really hope that it's gonna be colder there. Yeah, let's see how this camping trip's gonna go. All right, let's get everything packed up and then let's get on the road. Arrived. This is where we're gonna be for the night. I'm thinking, you know, we set up the tarp somewhere among the trees there, and then I just brought a tarp. We can make a fire here. I doubt it's gonna rain, so we should be good. The truck made it fine. The Ranger and the bike are definitely both still on there, so we should be good. All right, let me get everything unloaded, and I guess we go for a bit of a ride. Yesterday everything was running kind of late. We just came here, set up camp, went for a quick swim in the creek, but it's a new day and I'm out here looking for logs so we can get our fire started. I brought wood for the meals, but not quite enough to just get a fire going. So yeah, found a little stick. Gonna take that back to camp, get a little fire going so we can sit around it until everybody wakes up, and then we make breakfast. We came to an old abandoned granite quarry. That's where we're sleeping for the night. We just set up a tarp and everybody just threw their bedding underneath. That's where we slept. It was perfect. I was pleasantly surprised. I woke up once during the night. It was actually slightly cooler than it was during the day, so that was good. I wasn't sure if it was going to be cold during the night or if it was going to be hot, so it was perfect. I was a bit disappointed when I woke up this morning. When I woke up, like through the trees, I saw a nice pink sky. So I figured maybe the smoke is gone and there's actually going to be a sunrise. Like, I've been watching sunrise last few weeks and there's too much smoke. You can't even see the sun till about like noon. So I got up and by the time I got into my camera, it was gone. So that was a bit disappointing, but let's see how this day turns out. I really hope it's not going to be as hot as it is yesterday. That's going to make trail riding miserable, but it'll still be fun. All right, let's go make that breakfast. good dusty drive. There is nothing left to do except wash it all off in the creek.